this research project, we want to understand whether a reason for this is the fact that the local communities do not benefit enough from the renewable project. We find that there's strong differences in terms of the local employment effects of solar investments that have positive local impacts as compared to wind investments that have very weak local employment effects.
So when we think about decarbonizing transportation, we really have to get back to the fundamental economic principle of equating marginal benefits and costs. When you put this all together and you think about the role of electrification, it's maybe a great channel for decarbonization in the developed world, but for developing countries where there's less reliable electricity and there's going to be large demand for transportation services, it's much less clear. And so marginal costs, marginal benefits, and let's get back to some basic pricing the externalities. We want it to be expensive to pollute so that we create the right incentives for innovation and energy use.
We do find evidence of positive spillovers across electric vehicle charging locations. New firms already take into account that when they build a new charging station that they help others. And if they do, then we don't really have a need for policy in this specific way. But if firms are leaving social surplus or social welfare on the table, then there's a role for subsidies or government policy to come in and improve or enhance the market functioning in this industry.
This is a very good opportunity for the students at the MEF, at the program, because to get experience or to get exposure on this top-notch research.
Initially, I was a little skeptical coming here because this topic of energy and climate change has really not so much to do with my master's, right, which is in economics and finance. Up-to-date statistics and evidence that they presented on it has truly broadened my mindset and has actually made me want to delve deeper into these topics. Overall, a wonderful initiative by the MEF team and the University of Navarra and everybody else who's involved in this project.